Hello students, I will continue with the chapter determination of the place on the earth's surface. Okay, in the last video we have learned about the definition. In this video I am going to start with the prime meridian. Okay, prime meridian, the word prime actually means chief. Okay, and meridian means, we already know that it is midday. Okay, so this prime meridian is the chief meridian amongst all the meridian that are present. Okay, the value of the prime meridian is 0 degree, and in the year 1884, by an international agreement, the international agreement it was decided this prime meridian, that is passing through the Royal Astronomical Observatory at Greenwich near London, would be considered as the prime meridian. So this prime meridian is also known as the Greenwich meridian 2. So the value of the prime meridian is 0 degree, and this is also a semicircle like all other meridians. So the places that are located in the eastern side of the prime meridian are known as the eastern meridian, and it has been denoted by the capital letter E, and those meridians which are located in the western hemisphere, that is the western part of this prime meridian, are denoted by the letter W or capital letter W. Okay, and the local time of this prime meridian is also considered as the standard time for all over the world. Now let us see some of the uses of the meridians of the longitude. So what are the uses of this meridian of the longitude? Okay, so number use is that location. Okay, yes, like the longitude like the latitude, longitude also help to locate any place on the earth's surface. Like for example, the longitude of Kolkata is 88 degree 24 minutes east. So this longitude, with the help of this longitude, anyone can locate the location locate where Kolkata is situated, or so the exact location of any place is actually obtained by the point of intersection of both the latitude and the longitude. Next, point number 2 is time. So all the places on the same longitude have got the same time, have the sunrise, noon and sunset at the same time. So they have the same local time, or the noon time. The local times of different places located on the different longitudes can be determined easily. with the means with the help of this longitude we can calculate, we can know the local time of any places on the earth's surface very easily. Last one is that longitude helps in the means longitudes are very much helpful in, actually it's the more helpful in the calculation of any calculation of the time of any place on the earth's surface. The relationship between the longitude and the time is very helpful for us. Why it is very helpful for us? Because this offers the idea about the different types of time zone, local time, then standard time, Greenwich mean time, etc. Next is the chronometer. Is the instrument which help us to measure the time on any local place or local time, or the Greenwich time. So this is the end of this video. I'll continue with the next of the question in the next video. Thank you everyone. So how can we calculate the time based on longitude? It is this, that the earth actually in 1 hour covers 360 degree. Okay, so we know we have 24 hours. So if we divided this 360 by 24, we will get the difference or the value as 15 degree angle, because we have 360 degree angle on the earth's surface. So if we divide it in 24, we will get this 15 degree or the value of the 15 degree. So the time taken or the difference between 1 degree longitude is 4 minutes, and a difference of, so the difference between the two longitude that are places on the earth's surface, that is which are 1 degree apart. For example, this is 1 degree and this is 2 degree, so the difference between these two is actually 4 minutes. So thank you everyone.